Package dimensions: 3.302 h by 9.398 l by 8.636 w centimeters. Part number: FC1068. Fit type: vehicle specific. Package weight: 0.200 pounds. Top reviews from the United States. Ford Motorcraft OEM quality as expected and not Dorman junk. This is the correct factory replacement cap and identical to the old one on my 2013 Ford F356.7. Took about 10 seconds to remove the old tether and install new one. Good Ford Motorcraft OEM original quality and works as expected. Half the price on Amazon compared to the dealer and parts stores. Always use Ford Motorcraft OEM replacement parts, especially filters, on your diesel. You will thank yourself in the long run.